this video, I'm going to show y'all how to take two functions and perform the following operations: the sum, the difference, the product, and the quotient. When you're doing the sum, all you have to do is combine these, meaning add them. 2x minus 5 plus 2 minus x. If you have any like terms that you can combine, go ahead and do that. So I have 2x, and this is minus x. 2x minus x is x. And negative 5 plus 2, which is negative 3. So the sum of f of x and g of x is x minus 3. That's the only thing that you can do to simplify that. The next thing is the difference. When you are doing the difference, you need to be careful because anything after your subtraction sign needs to be subtracted. In order to make that a little bit easier for yourself, make sure you put the function that comes second in parentheses. So now I know that it's 2x minus 5 minus both of these terms. So when I'm combining terms, I have 2x minus a negative x and negative 5 minus 2. You can read it that way and combine like terms that way, or you can go ahead and distribute this first. So that's what I'm going to do to show y'all what it would look like. 2x minus 5 minus 2, and minus a negative x would be plus x. Then you can just combine like terms like we did for the first one. So like I said, it would be 2x plus x, that's 3x. Negative 5 minus 2 is a negative 7. Okay. The next thing is product. We're going to multiply these two things together. You need to make sure that they are in parentheses when you write them, because they are each their own function. Okay. When you multiply these, you have to make sure you distribute both of your terms. Okay, meaning 2x times 2, 2x times negative x. You also have to distribute this one. Negative 5 times 2, negative 5 times negative x. That's what I'm going to write out now. 2x times 2 is 4x. 2x times a negative x. Okay, so that's a negative sign. If I have 2, x times x is x squared. Okay, don't forget to change that exponent. Negative 5 times 2 is negative 10. Negative 5 times negative x, okay, that sign changes, positive 5x. Okay, then after that, if you have any like terms that you can combine, do that. So I have only one term that has an x squared. I have two x's, 4x and 5x. If I add those together, that's 9x. Okay, and then just minus 10. I can't combine that with anything there. Okay, so the product of those two functions is negative 2x squared plus 9x minus 10. And the last one I need to do is the quotient, okay, when I divide. So take your first function, put it on the top of the fraction, take your second function, put it on the bottom. If there's anything that you can cancel out or simplify, you can do that. But I'm okay with you guys leaving it like this for the most part. There's nothing I can do that will cancel out because this is a whole term. I can't cancel out these x's or anything. Okay, so that's it.